Whatever you gotta do to hurt Randy Orton.
Randy Orton certainly wasn't expecting to encounter this from Jeff Hardy tonight.
Into the guardrail, and
these two may very well flatten Barclays Center. They're tearing up everything.
And Hardy and Orton are now fighting over by our tech area here at the Barclays.
Jeff Hardy now, Jeff Hardy's had enough. He's tired of the attacks. He's tired of being the target of Orton's obsession.
Look, we've seen Hardy push before in the past. We've seen what's happened.
No, Randy, no. This is disgusting. Hardy just earned himself a disqualification.
Here is your winner by disqualification, Randy Orton.
Disc into the barricade.
It's been a long time since we've seen this side of Jeff Hardy. Jeff's come absolutely unglued.
And Hardy sending Orton into the WWE Universe here in Brooklyn. I mean, right now for Jeff Hardy, all restrictions are off.